Canada compare with Japan and in the team no it was an throw away ache na time na so say be expose you but now no yenti asema papa we e de to dwane ba de wi a e ba be expose you on Canada Japan team no enyina
abipi de no ko de e ba ko na Bawumia ko no anu ko wale ni dana no police station o ko wale na zero onya zero no officer wale president onya zero wale president onya zero wale RC pam onya zero ko afọ ana onu ko onya o people also prestia ana ye oba na ye ka chance stia no ko aboso kan
ebusuya oti asema papa ne ye den e de to dwa o kire mu say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de krom wale o say Presby School A 0 Presby School B 0 ena Roman School 0 Dr. Bawumia krom wale be bien ho ma Dr. Bawumia 0 wale be bien ho na Dr. Bawumia nya 0 now hweme top wo we ye wale 2024 presidential election Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia enya 41,273 representing 61.92% of the total valid vote cast. John Dramani Mahama enya 24,673 representing 37.01%. The Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia actually John Dramani Mahama mu over 16,000 votes. See the can say over 16,000 votes. Wale. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is from the Northeast region. Now, before Dr. Bawumia Bebano, now Wale seat no a NDC strong go. Yes, na NDC strong go. Osha a year history of a year Wale seat now. 1996, Omunya 72%. 2000 independent candidates in the fire. 2004, NDC every year. 2008, NDC every year. 2012, MPP be winning year. 2016 MPP winning at 2020 a year. 2012 MPP Dr. Bawumia be winning year. 2016 winning year. 2020 winning year. 2024 is also winning year. And since Dr. Bawumia unity, wale onom no. Wale seat na be MPP strong go free NDC for onsem. Wale seat no. Since Dr. Bawumia baye, onom no ye lose da since 2012. Afi bia ye winning about Bawumia Chrome. Bawumia from Northeast region penny region na 2024 election MPP winning the whole region. Now your voter in the 2020 no a course in 2024 compared to the other 15 regions na kano. A year Northeast region pe and the only region MPP votes a course compared to 2020 elections vote in Northeast region. And ultimately be antwa trust Dr. Bawumia Chrome MPP nya 0 and no credit MPP winning wale Etri Mahama mu 16,000 votes. 16,000 votes. Wale constituency nkwa. We won the whole region. Esansu nya more votes compared to 2024 we have flag bearer one of East region. And no tikene Japan no nko afo no. Muni campaign messenger. Muni de nkope bebe ntena na munja ntro na mo de nam no. Na ye wa ha ne de there is no way am propaganda na ne ntro no. Ebe ye to me ka kire mo say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia de ne ba. Kene Japan is not going to be the flag bearer today. He's not going to be the flag bearer tomorrow, and he knows you people now dey chinu kwa munim second Japan no. Anything na flag bearer MPP mu da. And see da. It is not going to happen, and it will never happen. Kene Japan and see da me ka kire o. Enti no. So what you say okutwa ntro ma wonya vote dia. Ye wa say ntro na nya adwuma. And Kene Japan we will make sure that Kene Japan lose and he is not going to win. We will make sure say Kene Japan will lose the presidential election on the 31st of January. Mark it on the wall. Kene Japan will lose. And if people will come here crying and shouting, but then far.
Unyame asaye papa eti religion we. But when the machine, you talk about me in a course, when no, was your afraid you were sorry. And you have a Bawumia, in Nippon Upon Payama and Dos. They are praying for you secretly. Omo Bompire now say, so Nipa, Ubetima Bench of my God. It's in our behind. You are the Solomon for our country, Ghana. Solomon, you'll be a Oyanyansani. Solomon, you'll be a no one you dear. Nana over any swap table. Now, you know, you say, Papa, or you will be in Yamia, you know, I'll be to my poor, my God. I don't keep on a praise song, and I'll be to my poor man. Obi was social media and TikTok or see every other Kobe and a member will be on financial two things. And now I'm a prayer so that this week as a member will be on financial and two things in your men and then a sound also.
Abusunya prophet eye say John when you baby call Eshian come to the sound come channel say eno de tudwa
Dankwa aba Akufo-Addo obedi 8 years. Busi aso aba Akufo no aba yebedi aka dombo oye. Dombo will be represented by Bawumia. Yes. After me teach no ya kwagina ne ebua ya de ne the whole plane. That's what some of can you want me adwin.
In the afternoon now the Bawumia neighbor obi ape won pe o.
Na obi akura ma.
Abusunya wo ti asem a prophet Sir John ede tudwa no o hye san kom we ansa no oba be free atiasefo asase yi so. Me ne wo ka se Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia ede number 3. Number 3 no e kire say the third person na obebe to tradition no because he was Dankwa Buzi Adombo tradition. Dankwa aba Buzi aba. The third person na obebe ma tradition no afofele no number 3. Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia or number 3 and no to aba delegate to mama Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia and never no ka say no was starting a nationwide tour. She say oba obi a constituency no delegate abedi nkomo. And number 3 no and also to aba the tradition lives on.
Ghana bakusemu from Kwame Nkrumah peso be pem na another president Akufo-Addo efi abamu no na do ma is bendu gold ho so me nkuru ni ya na baba bro region na bendu gold ha sei na indeed better gold board na by the ma honorable emergency no the be dey ahase ni home district ni home constituency do ma is mna every Kwame Nkrumah peso be pem na another president Akufo-Addo efi abamu no na do ma is bendu gold ho da. And this is by ya, some people a gold boss, see you, Babia Offrey, one fear, home district, Adamano, the home conscious Adamano, now one fear. Garam say, at yet, they say, well, crow, Piazzo, I want fear. What is a million free? So the entire, but you gold born, no, by the man, no, Yapes and Mahama on the NDC, Babanya Konya, nobody ever two bro, gold, no. But I will gram say, our bro region, I shall say, I was a medium to constituency. Yet the man is no boss here. Adams, Nipami as I would then say, your program here. What my call the man is. Kalamsa air cosu the man is no. BC Ghana Baku Semuhada. It's a 12 mother Roma. Mathieu Erasos as a donko. Mathieu Akosiado.
Breaking news Ebusunya Asemaba. Menauka said the NDC National Grassroots in all 16 regions. Edi demonstration chenchile kesia eba so no every NDC National Grassroots almost say yen kanchire NDC ene Ghana aban say omo the demonstration kesia bi title almost say watch out NDC National Grassroots in all 16 regions demo tell them we are coming, no more monkey they work babu they chop demonstration until all the 16 regions say busunya actually say eba so nya sanketo omo tell some the date no eba enche bia enti no say o ho de anu ahye no to say the National Democratic Congress NDC Grassroots no the demonstration eba checha so all the 16 regions omo tell say demonstration din no no more monkey they work babu they chop eyezu na wadi wo so comment section no say eye azan eye 419 eye killnet eye ntro eye ndada aban eno nti no omangasa omonkofo no ebe demonstration chenchireche ede ti omonkasa omaban eyezu eye aza asem papa bi amate ne se oye ebusuya na do dan kwakufo Nyankopon why na ade ni biomu wasan expose NDC biom se obeka ya na do dan kwakufo do kan say omo one constituency bia no $1 million na omo de develop constituency NDC be twa to check na for say na do dan kwakufo do and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ntimi anye ama kan Japan ko for kura gitu mu say wantimi anye no ka say no otimi yeye ampa oyeye no ka say me saka nkata tin aye free National Development Authority na ebusuya yenkan ne tie die wom na ewi a obeti de ntia meka say na do dan kwakufo Nyankopon no wasan ka ne ho ebiom o say press release date no 16th October 2025 now I say for immediate release the Northern Development Authority NDA which is to inform the general public, contractors, beneficiaries that government has directed the transfer of all infrastructure for poverty eradication projects IPEP, also known as $1 million per constituency, also known as $1 million per constituency project to respective district assemblies. This directive aims to strengthen decentralization and ensure the effective completion and management of community infrastructure projects at all local level. Accordingly, 20% of the district assembly common fund is to be used to complete all ongoing and uncompleted IPEP projects. The NDA has submitted a comprehensive status report on this project to the five regional coordinating council in northern Ghana to guide the transition and follow-up actions. District assemblies that may require further details are encouraged to contact the NDA's regional office for additional information and technical support. Issued by Corporate Affairs Directorate, date 16th October 2025. And that is a masanya chile say ebusuya. Na do dan kwakufo ado ka say $1 million per constituency no. Say na utimi ye. And I've told you say as time goes on Nyankopon enam ne kwan paso eba ma Ghana fo ehu say Nyankopon na do dan kwakufo ado no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia so ebe hira Ghana man ebe ye Ghana ye ntina am say to mama na do dan kwakufo ado ne ba Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no me fa oman no enko bebi o se kokoduru onfa ye nko boshe asa asene so because the omka so be ye bia no omo ye na no ne ba mo hu say NDC aban na kasa mo hu say na do dan kwakufo ado aban no ebe on ho modin $1 per constituency na do dan kwakufo ado why ni nyina